Hello everyone. I got here is an Omron Series 3 blood pressure monitor, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to erase the saved memory of all the readings that you had. This is all the readings, and I'll show you the readings. And in order for you to delete it, you hold this thing here, the memory, and this, start and stop for 3 seconds. Now it's erased. Everything's erased. See, there's nothing stored in there now. Alright, so that's how you erase the memory of all the readings, your previous readings. Yeah, if you want to sell this, your old blood pressure monitor, and you don't want the next person to see all your readings, then that's how you do it. Alright, so this is the Omron Series 3 blood pressure monitor, and this is how you delete the stored memory by just holding this button and the start and stop button. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Thank you. I'll see you later. Goodbye.